Hello everybody, my name is Melinda Farmer and today I'm going to be teaching you how to wrap lumpia. Lumpia is a Filipino egg roll. Lumpia wrapping techniques and recipes differ throughout different families. This is a technique for wrapping passed down through my family that my mom showed me how to make. Enjoy! So the first thing we need to do is prepare the spring roll sheets by carefully separating them from one another. They're going to be stuck together and they're very thin, so you have to be very careful pulling apart these delicate sheets from another. Then you're going to place them, the separated wrappers, on a plate and cover the whole pile with a damp paper towel so that they don't dry out. If they dry out, then they're harder to wrap and they break easily. Then you're going to prepare the eggs by separating 3 egg yolks from their egg whites. To separate, crack open the egg and carefully transfer the yolks side to side from the 2 pieces of eggshell. Place the egg whites in a bowl and throw out the egg yolks. Then you're going to remove the first spring roll sheet from the pile, making sure to cover the rest of the pile with the damp paper towel again. You're going to take the spring roll sheet that you took out, laying it in front of you with one of the corners pointed towards yourself. Then you're going to place a spoonful of your choice of filling onto the wrapper horizontally. This is going to be 2/4 of the way towards you on the wrapper. Take the corner closest to you and fold it so it is covering the filling. Fold in the 2 corners opposite each other into where the filling starts on the respective sides. Dip your index and middle finger into the egg whites and dab them onto the remaining corners that has not been folded. Roll the lumpia away from you and it is ready to fry. Good luck in the kitchen!